Okay, back to the ball game. And third quarter tayo. Let's go. Running shot, miss. Rebound ng Green TM. Number 28 for 3. Boy, gets the 3-point. Gonzales. Papawi si Legarda. At ayan na. Si Legarda Jr. knocks it down. Sagot doon ang Legarda Jr. Number 28. Oy, out of bounds. Wala dito ng mga naka-blue. Angelo, pass to number 19. Number 19, spin, kick out. Legarda again, too strong. Rebound ng mga naka-green. Outlet pass, steal. Inagay sa corner, fake. Number 18, reverse layup, and one. Basket count, last a foul by jersey number 13.
Basket scored by jersey number 18. 19.
Wala siya dahil sa 19. Oh, Edol. Lalaro ngayon long time no siya. Dapat magkiwalay kayo ng team. Dapat magkiwalay ko ng kuya kapatid mo. Alright, back to the ball game. Missed the shot. 47-43. Ang ating dala, lamang ang mga naka-green. Cocorio. Number 8. Oy, wala. Rebound by number 15. Pass number 19. Ayan na, didiskarte. Stop and pump. Wala. Offensive rebound or defensive rebound para sa mga naka-green. Ayan, si Bourbon at pinasok na rin. Para sa green team. Bourbon, miss, steal. Ayan na, nagpamadali. Number 19, pass to Legarda Jr. And basket yan. Para kay Legarda Jr. Yes, sa mga aspirant natin sa basketball. I forgot the first name. Ayan, oy! That's a traveling violation. 4-4-1. Baba na lamang sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Green Team Cocorio. Time remaining 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Bola rito ng mga naka-asul. Number 19, binigay. Legarda Jr. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Bourbon. Bourbon out that pass. Number 28 and gets a foul.
Foul number 8. 8 Second personal foul, first foul.
Yata, teka lang. Baba ako konti, sorry. Alright, game. Pasok ba? 2 for 2. 55-49. Number 90 and 4-3. Yes, na yes. Para sa Tres. 59, 55, 52. Baba sa tatlo ang alamangan. Uy, Santos, kumusta? Another steal for the blue team. Number 19 gets the contact and there's a foul. Number 3.
Foul number 3. First personal foul, second foul.
Rama, pili naman ako, bigyan kita. Pili ako. Bigyan kita. Okay lang, kape. Dito sa ano? Bakery, bigyan kita. So, may milk tea. Bigyan na lang milk tea. Magkano ba milk tea? Magkano milk tea? Sige, bili kita. Bili ka na sa'yo. Kape lang ako, ha? Tapos tea. Cancel ka na milk tea mo ha.
Foul number
Okay.
14.
Thank you. Sorry, back to the bogey tayo. Pumasok ang isang free throw para sa Blue Team. Time remaining 6 minutes and 43 seconds. 53-55. Babasa dalawa ang kalamangan. Alley-oop, number 17, and it's in 2 points. Gets the 3, in and out. Rebound. Outlet pass. Ayan na, derecho. Too strong. Basket yan for the Green Team. Cook for you. Number 19. Angelo from elbow 3. Short. Out of bounds. Pull up jumper, no rebound. Out of bounds. Nasa corner, jump shot is good for the Blue Team. 59-55. Foul.
Foul number 17. Personal foul.
Boy, nakalusot si number 9. Nakaw-play for the Green Team. Cook for you. Number 8. Boy, nabitawan.
10 seconds to shoot.
Out of bounds. Number 69. Wala. Rebound by number 14. Number 17. Boy, nakalusot. Wala. Rebound. Outlet pass. Number 28. Nabitawan. Steal by Angelo. Number 8. Running shot. Gets the foul. Substitution. Up, no good. Outlet pass. Basket. Spin and drive. Gets the contact, my foul. Gotta shoot the line. Number 8. Basket for jersey number 9. 56-65 ang ating talaan. Mula rito ng TM Green. Cook for you. Nasa corner. Jump shot. Basket. 67-56. Pass number 9. Pull up jumper. Yes na yes. For Abadesa. Pinasok na rin para sa Team Blue. Team ng Oreo. Ayan na. Fake. Reverse layup. And that's a travel. Dalas na bago sapatos. Ayan na. Angelo Baltao de Rederecho. Uy, iniwas pa. Sa travel din. Traveling din ang tinawag for Angelo. At nakabawi ron ang ating official referee. Nablaang na kanilang kartada. 67-58. 15-second shot clock to shoot. Bounce pass. Bourbon fake. Bourbon. Guy, kick out to number 14. Pull up jumper. No good. Bourbon. Oy. And there's a foul. Oh, correction. Out of bounds. Same ball. 11-second shot clock to shoot. Number 14. Cross-court pass to number 28. Stop and pop. Pull up. Rebound. Out of bounds. Oy. Last touch. Bola ng mga nakasul. Guy, too strong. Rebound. Oy. Pass to. Angelo Baltao knocks it down 3. No good. Rebound. Ayan na, Abadesa miss. Rebound by number 14. 3 against 2. Uy. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Ayan na. Number 15 bounce pass. Uy, at the post. Number 21, kick out. Nasa loob. Ang tigas yan. Cross-court pass. Angelo fake. Angelo nabitawan na same ball. Yes, a 3-second shot clock to shoot. Substitution. O, timeout. Timeout. Blue team. Official score 67-58. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng blue team. Kukuyo. Okay, back to the ball game. With the time remaining 1 minute and 34 seconds. 3-second shot clock to shoot. Ay na, catch and shoot. Yes, sir. At naihabol. Ang blue team. Babasa ito ang kalamangay ng green team. Bourbon. Nice pass. Coming from Bourbon. Oopsie, there's a foul. Pressure na sa 61 and 69. Nabago ulit, sorry. 60, 69. Pressure on the line, number 19. First shot is good. Second shot, 2 for 2.
Second shot. 10 seconds.
Number 14.
5.
Bourbon to number 14. No good. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng mga nakasol. Last 47 seconds. 47 seconds. Number 19 setting on the play. Pass number 21. Abadesa short. Rebound by Bourbon. Pass number 17. A running shot. Blocked by Legarda Jr. Ay, nasa Legarda Jr. 4-3. Uy, no good. Rebound.
10 seconds.
Running shot. Gets the contact. May foul ang tinawag. On the free throw area, number 14. Last 7 seconds. First shot is good. 62-70. Second shot, wala. Rebound by number 9. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the third quarter. Sayang, hindi na ipasok. Good defense para sa blue team. Ayan, end of the third period. Official score 70-62 in favor of the Kokoryo Current team. Ayan, sila ngayon ang mulay lang alamangan. The team of Sir Benito. Tingnan natin kung makakabal dito ang mga naka-blue sa fourth quarter. Fourth quarter. Number 18 for 3. Oh my goodness. Knocks it down the 3-point. May sagot agad ang mga naka-asul. 65-70. Ayan na. Number 28 for 3. Wala. Rebound. Pass to number 18. Uy, pass to Legarda Jr. Miss. What a save by Angelo. Pero bad pass nga lang. Still. Missed. Shot. Ayan na. Abadesa. Nagmamadali. Derecho. Uy, may konting away. Walang tawag. Ayan na. Rebound ng mga na-green. Bourbon. Spin, drive, using the contact, no good. Bourbon with a basket. 65-72. Angelo, pass number 19 and gets a foul. Oh, correction, traveling violation. 65-72. Pass to Sir Benito. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Number 19. Pass to Sir Ben. Oh, there's a offensive foul. Illegal pick. 4 TM Green. Matatawagan na. Foul ang Green. Angelo. Pass number 15. Number 15, susubok sa tres. Yes, para sa tres. By number 15. Ayan na. 68-72 in favor of the Green Kokoryo team. Sir Ben, may tangan ng bola. Pass number 28. Setting on the screen. Oh, block there. Pass to Serben. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Last touch. Bola rito ng blue team. Number 15. I-discarte. Pass number 18. Pass to Ledcarda Jr. 43. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Ayan na. Si number 28. Pass to Serben. Jump shot. Basket by Sir Benito Legarda. 75-68. Ayan na ang mga nakasul. Number 19. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Offensive rebound para sa Green Team. Number 28. Pass to Bourbon. Bourbon binigay sa corner. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound, no good. What a save. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Wala talaga yung ating score. 74-68. Angelo binigay. Number 8. Abadesa miss. Rebound makuha ni Angelo. Baltao. Stop and pop. 4-3. Short. Uy. Time out. Green Team. Pinofficial score 74-68 in favor of the team for you. Green Team.
Both teams, tingin naman tayo na. Both teams. Both teams, tingin tayo.
Ay! Brown daw ka brown? Uy!
Green ball, green ball.
Brown! Kapagano na? Wait lang, bumili ka na sa'yo? Bumili ka na sa'yo? Nasaan na? Nasaan na kinakain mo? Okay, okay, thank you Sa milk tea mo. Okay yan, di pala Oy, sorry. Angelo, Baltao all the way. Pasensya na po, may kausap pa akong bata. Out of bounds. Uy, natamaan.
Green ball, green ball.
74. Sub. Kaya pa daw ni Angelo Baltao. Game tayo, 6 minutes. 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Para sa ating laban.
Shot clock, 15
Number
seconds.
14, fake. Nigay. Oh, basket count and one. For jersey number 17.
And the 21 seconds first team.
76-70.
Jersey number 17.
Number 17. Bonus shot for a 3-point play. Wala. Rebound. Makuha rito na ang mga nakasul. But there's a may foul. Ang mga naka-green. 76. The number 21, pull up, basket.
Apat na lang pala, apat na lang. 76-72 in favor of Green Team.
Oh, too strong. Rebound. Sabaw. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Blue ball.
Ang remaining 5 minutes, 30 seconds. And the ball,
Late. Trabaho. 5 minutes and 30. Oy, too strong. Rebound ng mga naka-blue. Bounce pass to number 19. Floater in and out. Number 21. Wala. Rebound. Serben. Serben. Pass to number 17. So, basta lamang ang oras. You know, R. De La Cruz, oh. Wait. Pasap. Pull-up jumper. Wala. Ayun na, number 19. Oy, too strong and gets a ball. Shout out, referee. Basta, long time no see. Ayan. On the free throw area, number 21 for the blue team. 74 na po pala ang blue team. Ball shot, no good, miss. Next rebound ng mga naka-green. Mabala lamang sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Mercurio Green team. Sir Ben. Ayan na, Sir Ben. Pass number 17. Setting on the screen, number 17, half step. Oh! Out of bounds. Same ball. 2 seconds shot clock to shoot. Bola ng mga naka-green. Pinagay, step back to Ray. In and out. Rebound, makukuha ng mga naka-blue. To number 16, pass to. Still by number 9, pass number 14. Number 14 setting on the play. The guy, stop and pump, too strong, and out of bounds. Penalty. Second shot, basket. 75-76. Ay pasok ni Abadesa. Putos na po doon. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Green Team. 76-75. Number 28, Discarte. Pass number 14, binigay from the corner, drive. What a look. Oh, nice pass para number 28. Hindi naman siya doon binigo. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Angelo. Uy, wala. Rebound. Number 28, drop pass. What an extra pass. Number 9, finger roll. Miss. Another rebound. Makuha dito ni Abadesa. Ayun na, number 19, Hesi, drive. The guy, number 28 from the corner. Fake. Kick out to Angelo from the corner. 3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng mga naka-green. Boy, number 28. Abenander, drop pass. Oh, what a pass. Para sa Green Team, 80-75. Number 21. Uy. Offensive foul. Sub. Sub. Sub ba? Sub. Up. Ay ba? Sub. Time remaining 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth and last period. Ang magwawagi. Nasa corner. Pass number 28. Essie. Stop and pop. Uy, wala. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. Pass number 28. Floater. Yes na yes. Yeah, sa corner. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound. The free throw area. Basket sa kanyang first free throw. Second shot para kay Abadesa. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Uy, nakalusot. Abadesa miss. Last 2 minutes. What a pass. Number 17 gets the foul. One minute and 54 seconds para sa ating fourth and last period. Number 17 shooting the line. First shot is good for number 17. Second shot. Ayan na. Ha? Out of bounds. Bourbon. Pass number 22. Number 28 setting on the screen. Hesse drive, bounce pass to Bourbon using the glass. Basket is good for Bourbon. 85 to 76. Ayun na, number 8. Abadesa. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Ba't sa foul? Penalty. Wala pa na. 85-76 with the time remaining 1 minute and 16 seconds. Fifteen-second shot clock to shoot. Number 28. Pass to Bourbon. Kick out. Pass number 19. Cross-court pass. Number 17. Did a jumper. Basket. 87-76. Baltaho Angelo. Mga inubos na lang ang oras. Legarda Jr. short. Last 40 seconds left. Panalo ata na ang green team. Ayaw na bantayan. Uy. Uy, wala. Number 9. At dito na ba? Nagtatapos. Mayroon pa tayo na dito lang 17 seconds. Inuubos na lang ang oras. Ayan na. 7 seconds. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations, Team Green Team Kokoryo. Our final score 89-76. Panalo po ang Team Kokoryo Green Team sa pangunguna yan ng ating butihing Sir Ben Nito Legarda. Ayan, ating manager. Ayan, nice game para sa team. Blue team. Natawag. Okay, next game ulit. Alright, mag-out muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa ating second game. Maraming salamat po sa ating butihing Sir Benito Legarda. Sir Ben! Sir Ben! Hello! Thank you po. Ayan ah. Mag-out muna tayo for the meantime. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, kila Sir Bien Legarda sa kanyang sa kanyang butihing anak na Sir Bien Legarda. Shoutout din sa'yo. Siyempre, this is your Kokoryo charity program.